Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, I'm introducing the Unihertz Titan, the best Android keypad phone on the market. Perfect for outdoor lovers, travelers, or anyone missing a physical keyboard. Stay tuned for all the details. Let's get started. Product features. Rugged build for real-life toughness. Let's begin with what makes the Titan truly stand out, its rugged design. The Unihertz Titan is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it a great option for adventurers, field workers, or anyone tired of fragile phones. No need for bulky cases. This phone is built to survive harsh conditions and accidental drops right out of the box. Monster battery life. Now let's talk battery. The Titan features a massive 6,000 mAh battery, offering up to 7 days of use on a single charge depending on usage. That's right, no more hunting for chargers every day. This is perfect for campers, travelers, or professionals who are always on the move. Walkie-talkie and programmable button. Here's where it gets even more interesting. The Titan includes a programmable side button that you can use for different quick actions. Want instant communication? Use it as a walkie-talkie. Need fast camera access? Set it to launch your camera app. This feature adds serious convenience for outdoor workers, emergency teams, or just anyone who loves quick access shortcuts. Comfortable QWERTY keyboard. One of the Titan's defining features is its physical QWERTY keyboard. If you've missed the satisfying click of real keys, you'll love this. It allows for faster, more accurate typing, especially for emails, messages, and business use. It's a rare feature in today's touchscreen-dominated world, and it feels great to use. Backlit keyboard for any environment. Typing in the dark? No problem. The Titan's keyboard is backlit, making it easy to use in low-light conditions like night shifts, campsites, or airplane cabins. This small but thoughtful addition goes a long way for usability. Global connectivity with dual SIM. The Titan supports global LTE bands and is unlocked, so it works with most carriers worldwide. Whether you're traveling internationally or switching networks, this phone adapts with ease. And with dual SIM support, you can keep work and personal life separate without carrying two devices. Super convenient. Pros: rugged and durable design, waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant. Massive 6,000 mAh battery, up to a week on one charge. Physical QWERTY keyboard, great for fast, accurate typing. Backlit keys. Usable even in low-light conditions. Programmable side button. Quick access to walkie-talkie or camera. Global LTE and dual SIM support. Perfect for international travelers. Cons: bulky and heavy. Not as sleek as modern phones. Not ideal for gaming or media-heavy use. App compatibility may be limited for some modern Android UI expectations. Learning curve for users new to physical keyboards. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, the Unihertz Titan is not your typical Android phone, and that's exactly the point. It's designed for users who need durability, longevity, and the tactile satisfaction of a real keyboard. From field workers to keyboard fans or anyone tired of fragile touchscreens, the Titan delivers where it matters most. Check the price in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more helpful tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.